I am Dr. Prabhat Goyal. I am a practicing physician at Gurgaon, and I am in Gurgaon for the last 25 years or so. I have my own setup. I have my own family living in Gurgaon. And last week I had trouble with my stomach. There was some pain, there was backache, and when I got investigated, there was swelling in my gallbladder and there were stones in my gallbladder. And as you know, I am a practicing physician. I know it needs surgical treatment, and then I immediately rushed to Dr. Mayank Madan. He is a surgeon at CK Birla Hospital, Gurgaon. Very well known surgeon in Gurgaon, very renowned surgeon, known practice for his good surgical skills and good personal care which he gives to his patients. Now this feedback I got from my own patients who were operated upon by Dr. Mayank in the last few years, plus my own surgical colleagues also highly praise his skills and his behavior. So I came to CK Birla Gurgaon a week back, and I was surprised to see the setup, the cleanliness of the hospital, and the staff was very supporting. And Dr. Mayank personally take care of myself. He examined me. He accompanied me to the ultrasounds and all the tests, and then recommended that I need surgery, for which I was admitted yesterday. And today I am getting discharged perfectly well as I walked into the hospital. My surgery was done around 20 hours back, and now I am speaking to you perfectly well. No pains, nothing. I am feeling absolutely normal. In fact, if he permits, I can start examining my patients from after 2 days. It was so. And this hospital, I think everything was beyond my expectations. It was so neat, clean, very well maintained. As far as nursing staff is concerned, the best thing was the staff was not looking tired or exhausted. They were always smiling, always cooperative. Right from admission process, admission people were so nice and kind. They didn't make me stand in the queue or something. They said, just sit down, just give us 10 minutes and we will do everything. They accompanied me to the room, and the staff was there. As soon as I entered the room, the nursing staff also came. They prepared me for the surgery, which was scheduled just after 2 hours or so. And it was really amazing, beyond expectation. Then came the dietary services. And generally in the hospitals, what we find is the food is tasteless, bland. But it was not like other places. In fact, the staff was just asking me what I want to eat, what is my personal choices, so that they can accommodate according to my needs, according to my surgical procedure, according to surgeons, what surgeon wants me to take. So according to my taste, they can prepare everything. And it was such a nice experience. In fact, I didn't felt I am in the hospital, and last 36 hours I am in the hospital, and I think everything went so wonderful. And I must thank Dr. Mayank for his personal care, for his personal touch to my care. He was there. He came to see me personally 3 or 4 times. And nursing staff, I say, their faces are so refreshing. They are always smiling. They are always helping. You just press a button and within 2 minutes they are here just to help you. If somebody look, in our medical system, the best hospital which one can go is which is best affordable and which can give you the best care. And here what I find, affordability is also there, and the caring touch, the personal touch which doctor and nursing staff and every other things, whether it is a food and beverages staff, whether it is a housekeeping staff, they all were so cooperative. So definitely, if somebody asks me where to go, I will definitely recommend this hospital for whatever services they are offering at present. Thank you very much.